And as I keep him indoor, they also produce flowers all the time in the winter. Look at that. See right here, there's like 2 buds right here. And I believe there was one more in there I was taking a picture of. But this one, there's a couple buds that's starting to come out too right there, see. And when I keep it indoor, I keep the soil moist because that's what they like. So I keep it moist. I just use the regular faucet water from the kitchen. There is no mix with it, just water from the kitchen, and that's what I do. And it loves it. Look at that. Hello guys, I'm gonna show you my Gerbera daisy. This is a collection. This one I just got I'd say about a couple weeks ago from Lowe's. They went on sale, and so bright and pretty. So that's what it looks like at a distance. And then I have one more right here. The leaves looks really healthy. And the flower, look at that. It's starting to open. It's right here. It's gonna be a bright orange, peachy orange like. And let's see. And then I'm gonna show you the one that I collected last year that I kept indoor. And otherwise it would have died if I didn't keep it indoor. And they're starting to bloom now. And look at this right here. Look how beautiful that is. If I didn't keep this indoor, they're dead. They would not stand the cold weather, winter. And I'm showing you another one right here. See, there are some buds down there. I have 4 of them that I kept indoor from last year. And look at that right here. So pretty. The flower is amazing. And this one right here, I'm gonna show you. Hold on, I have to move here. This one have multiple flower. Look how gorgeous that is. Multiple bloom. Look at that. And there are more in there that are coming out. There are more buds. So this is from last year. So I have one in here in the flower pot. This one I got this year. It's got yellow. I got it from Lowe's when they were on sale. And this one is not doing too well. I'm not sure why. But anyway, here's another one right here. This one is also from Lowe's. I got it when it went on sale. And it's like, I believe it needs some water. See? It's got some flower though. It's kind of pretty. Here's another one that I repotted from all at the same time that I got from Lowe's. There's a flower coming out right here that looks like gonna be a yellow color. That looks like it's closing. Huh. Nice. Look at this one right here. So gorgeous. This is the one that I kept indoor last year. I bought last year and I kept them indoor. Here's my hanging baskets that are Gerbera daisy. Look at that. And here's a couple more right here. And let's see. Oh, that needs water. And there's one right there. Hold on, let me get close to that one. This one have buds coming out. Look at that. There are 2 of them. It's gonna be bright yellow. Gerbera daisy. And here's another one. Right here. Look how gorgeous that is. That is just so pretty. 3 flower. Just gorgeous. And there are more buds right there, see? There's one right there. Wow. This is just so pretty. And here's another one here. This one has more buds coming out. It's right there. See? And this one has flower. That is so pretty. It is like a gold color. Just gorgeous. And this one right here is drying out, so I need to water. Not doing too well. Here's another one. It's a different shape. Gerbera daisy. They're so dry. It's been warm lately, so I need to water them. And here's the bright yellow. So pretty. Look at that. For some reason, this was mixed when I bought it. It came just like that. So there it is right here. And it's really dry, so I need to water it. That looks different, isn't it?